Hey guys, we are going to Philippines. We're in the airport now, and we're currently waiting to check in because we don't know if we're supposed to check in or what. I know the angle is not angling, but I shy, so no. I will check in with you guys when we actually pass the security check because that's stressful AF, so no thank you. Bye bye.
Dapat 11 parang 12 each year. Dati na ate nga pwede.
We had to wait about like how many hours? 2 hours, 5 hours to just board because the line was a bit messy, but that was okay. We are on the plane now. It's gonna take like about 6 hours and 38 minutes. 6 hours and 38 minutes. So once we fly up, I will see you then.
Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are released. We ask that you remain seated until the row ahead of you.
Okay, we got here, but the struggles is real.
Baba rin po na yun?
Adorable! Hey guys, so we have made it to the Philippines and we are currently in Manila. Currently just fixing my clothes and such so I know what to wear tomorrow and all. Today was fun. Got to ride the Jeep. Full and stressful at the same time. Saw my life flash before my eyes, but it was great. It was a great experience. And tried loads of foods like helmet that's like chicken skull or something, but it was really good. Although I couldn't eat much of it because it was mostly bone, but it was really good. Tune in with you guys probably tomorrow because I'm kind of getting tired. So, peace. We are going. Lola. Saan tayo papunta po?
Yan, sa baba, kakain kami.
We're on a hunt also, cause as we're going towards the food place, I want to find the bench store so I can get in hype and things. Cause Jem said that they would be here, but I don't think I'll meet them, sadly. But that's okay. I'll meet them next time. So, yo. Wow. Hi, cute. How's your first time in the Philippines? Good. Everybody's here. Woo! Shoot! Oh, close enough. Another. At kami yung ulong na uwi. Nice. Nice. We're currently getting food. Right now we're at the frutas, what you call this? what tindahan. I don't know how to say that in English. It's a really good fruit shake, and it's
Yeah, it's a fruit shake.
it's so good, guys. You have to get it when you get here. The mangoes in the Philippines. Oh my god! These are the options. These are the prices too, and honestly, they're quite good in pricing as well. They're very cheap, and it's very. It tastes so good, guys. I'm gonna get this one. I don't know what salsa this is, but this is good sauce. Nice scramble. Oh, that looks so good. It tastes like, you know, chucky. It tastes like that. Really good. Going to the cinema. We're gonna watch Haikyuu, but the time screening isn't very timing, if that makes sense. But we'll see. We'll see if we can actually watch Haikyuu today or what it is. It is what it is, though.
Video nga eh. Video nga eh.
The good thing about the mall also is that they also have like go-karts, and beside it is an arcade room. Kuya Joel, get out of the way! They have an arcade room as well beside the go-karts. The go-karts. Quit rolling, you're in the way! Okay, yeah. I feel like some people would like this too, so I'll record it down the line. We're on the way to Mawa. I don't know if you can hear the music, but if not, that's just embarrassing. Change of plans? I thought we were going to Moa, but I guess we're gonna go Okada. But I'm not complaining. I heard that is, how much was it again?
I think it's around 31,000 per night.
It's, huh? Oh, it's 31,000 pesos per night.
Last time I
For
checked
one
anyway.
person, guys.
No, two.
Oh, two!
Yeah, for a room.
No. I think I'll just sleep outside. You know, like look at the mall and then sleep outside. You know. Oh, mom, you got the wrong one, did you? It's okay.
Kami laging nasa Jollibee.
The quality. Kuya Alvin in the video call, as we know. So we actually passed a little arcade place beside this land restaurant. It's like near the entrance of the fountain show. So this is the arcades. There's a lot of toys here. They have other things too. They have other things here too. Pretty cute.
Kailan ko pwede galawin? Kasi pipindutin niyo lang po ito lang. Ay, pili mo dyan ko rin ang gusto mo. Pili ka po dyan.
Go Lola.
Gusto niya yung
Okay. Alrighty.
Opo.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Knock. Nah, there's no strength in that. Okay, go. Try, go.
That's weird.
Okay, so we are currently waiting for the show to start. It said it will start in 5 minutes, but I think it's like 3 minutes now. I'm excited. I'm scared to drop. I'm scared I might drop my phone. That's the problem. The DJI camera full on turned off on me. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I just got chills. That was a really good show. At the Drake, come here.
Yeah, no, it was so good.
Exactly. It was in beat. I understand now why people said, "Oh my gosh, the way it was in beat."
Ask mo si
It was
Lola
just like,
kung ano.
oh, okay, wait, hold up. How did you feel about it? Anong pakiramdam mo?
Ang saya. Yeah, masaya.
Masaya.
Anong pakaramdam mo daw?
Another fantastic show. Felt like I was gonna cry. Yeah. Get it in. Okay. It's so pretty at night. The fountain stuff is there, and that side. The fountain area entrance, I mean, was there. Why did my accent change? We are going to Ikea because we actually have to meet our cousin now. There's a lot of changing plans here. So we weren't meant to go to Okada today. We weren't meant to go at all. So by mistake, when we got lost, we found Okada because of my dad, because he was driving us, yeah. And he was like, oh, is that Okada? And then we just like went into Okada, and now here we are. I took a few photos, so I'm gonna post them on Instagram. And I'm planning on not posting my vlogs on Instagram anymore. I'm probably just gonna post it on YouTube and Facebook. So yeah, but depends. I don't know. I might do preview ones on Facebook. I might do preview ones on Facebook and Instagram, but YouTube is the original place I will put my vlogs, all my vlogs. So yeah, we're going to Ikea, which is known for the biggest Ikea in the world. Is the Philippines and Ikea the biggest Ikea here in the world? Yes. So we're going to Ikea that's in the Philippines because it's known for the biggest Ikea in the world. So yeah, we're gonna see how big it actually is and see what they have in store. You know, if you know, you know. Master, whoa, whoa, whoa! Lola's gonna start her modeling agency here. Look at her. Wow! Okay, get it, Lola. Get it, Lola. Hey, wow! You bring the best of both worlds. Yeah. Kahit ako. Wait. Kahit ako. Totebo. Puso ko ay totobo. Tebo. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Was enchanted to meet you. You fall laughing at karaoke. To meet you. Hey. All I can is was enchanted to meet you. You're talking no, I got stuck. Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh, I see lol. I see lol. Alright. Wow. Words cannot express how much you mean to me. Last pun before I stop recording the Ikea. Ang init dito sa Pilipinas. Oh, that's cute. That's so pretty.
Diba dito yan?
Look at that. There's a Ferris wheel. We love the sound of peace and quiet.
Talagang dyan na yung nakapwesto, ano?